Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to make stew, assorted meat stew. So we have our beef here, as you can see. Have our beef, and then we have our cow leg. So if you have like pomo, you can add to it, but right now we'll make do with the cow leg. And then we have our beef tripe, which is also called shaki. So this is what we are using for the food. And then what we do now is that I'll add my ginger and my garlic. So this ginger and garlic is completely optional. If you have issues with eating garlic or ginger, you don't have to add it to your food. And then we add my onions, a little bit of chopped onions, and some salt. So the salt should be based on your taste buds. And then we have our seasoning, and then this is curry. Add your curry to it, and then thyme, then I usually add some pepper to my meat just to give it an extra flavor. And then you mix together. Then you add some water. So you don't have to add a lot of water to it. So you cook it for a while just for the meat to absorb all the spice, and then you can then add more water. If you think your meat is not ready, you can then add more water. Then cover and let it cook. So it's been about 25 to 30 minutes and my meat is ready. So I'll just go ahead and fry it now. So I'm done frying the meat. Then now I can go ahead with the making of the stew. So we're going to go ahead to fry the stew now. So I'm using the oil I use in frying my meat. So after frying your onions, then you add the tomato paste. add the tomato paste. So tomato paste is completely optional. If you don't like tomato paste in the stew, you don't have to add it to it. So I'm just going to add about 3 spoons of tomato paste, and then fry. So you want to fry your tomato paste for a while, so you won't get any tanginess in the stew. So as you can see, my tomato paste has been frying for a while now, for about 5 minutes. So you make sure you fry it very well, so you will not get a stew that tastes really sloppy. So I'll go ahead and then add my blended tomatoes. These tomatoes has already been cooked. I'm going to add it now. And then fry just the way I fried my tomato paste. I'm going to fry it with the tomato paste and then the tomato together. So you let it fry for about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, so I'll be frying for 7 to roughly 8 minutes now. So I'm going to go ahead and then add my thyme, my bay leaves too. So you want your stew to have like a lot of flavor in it. So I'm adding a little bit of pepper. Add more pepper if you choose to. And then I'll add the stock from my cooked meat. So the reason why I'm adding the stock now before I add my salt and my seasoning is because this stock already had some seasoning in it. It prevents it from being too salty. So you want to add your stock first before any other spice. Go ahead to test for salt. So I need to add more spice to my own. So I'm just going to add more spice to it. Add more salt. More seasoning. My fried meat, so I usually add it now so that it will absorb the stew. I see it's already looking very delicious, looking like Christmas stew. So I'm just going to go ahead and add more water to it. Then let your stew cook. So, as you can see, my stew has been cooking for about 10 minutes now, and it's perfect. Smells so good, tastes so great. So you just have to try it for Christmas. This is your nice Nigerian stew, assorted meat, as you can see by meat. So our stew is ready. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends, share it and then comment in the video. I'm going to see you next time. Bye bye.